order to make $15,000 a month online, you need an income stream that's gonna make you $500 per day. And this is way more in reach than you may think. I'm gonna show you 3 ways to make $500 a day without you having to quit your 9-to-5 job. When I restarted my entrepreneurship journey in 2020, I was working 9 to 5 as a dental assistant and going to school for dental hygiene. I was busy, but I always made time for these online side hustles because I knew that these could eventually create me financial freedom in my life. I just wanted to make extra money on the side. Those were like my 2 main goals of why I was even starting. But obviously I made so much money that I was like, why should I even be working? And it just didn't make sense anymore. But no matter what you are doing, you can start these. I wanted to come up with the easiest ways where you can start and also with the least amount of money, because that also doesn't involve you being an influencer or, like I said, spending a bunch of money up front to start. There are tons of people starting these online business models after watching my YouTube channel and trying things themselves, and they have seen crazy results, which I am so thankful for, to make such a big impact in you guys' lives. And if they can do it, why can't you? And I don't just talk about how to make money online, I actually show you how to start. So all of these side hustles that I'm gonna show you today are gonna have a free course attached to them where you can follow. The first method that I have on my list today is selling digital products. I love digital products because when you create a digital product, you're not just creating a digital product, but you're actually creating a digital asset that you can then sell multiple unlimited amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years. But instead of you spending all of your hard-earned time spending months designing and developing a digital product, you can get AI to do the work for you. You can use AI systems that specifically track trends like Trend Assist AI and ask it, hey, what are the top trending digital products for this year? And it will pull up a whole list for us. Then we can narrow down that list and ask it something more specific. For example, say you are a mom that has developed a lot of mindset hacks that you want to share with other moms that has helped you become a better mom. You can ask the AI, I'm a mom that teaches other mindset hacks for moms. Give me 10 trending digital product ideas for this niche. And you can see here, it gave us so many ideas that we can use. And then again, narrow it down again. I want to make an ebook because I do think ebooks are best for beginners. Give me 10 trending title ideas for an ebook about mindset hacks for busy moms. Now we can see that this digital product ebook ideas are narrowed down even more. We're gonna go ahead, just copy and paste the favorite one and say, The Positive Mom, Mindset Hacks for Optimistic Living. Sounds good. Now can you write the ebook for me? Make a free Canva account, select ebook, paste it into the ebook, change a few things up, adds your own value and education to it that you have, and bam, we now have a digital product that we can start selling right away. You could put this product on a stand store or in your own online store and get it listed to sell in less than 10 minutes. Of course, there's more to this, so I made an entire free course for you guys, which will be linked in my description box. Now let's talk about side hustle idea number 2. I don't know if you know this, but over 2.6 billion people worldwide shop online. This number increases year by year. I want you to get a piece of this. And this is way easier than you probably think to actually get into. There's a new AI tool out here that can literally build you a fully functioning online store for you in less than 10 minutes. And you can start selling products right away because it actually even comes with winning products in the store for you. And you're probably wondering, well, like, okay, how the heck are those products there? Like, who's shipping those? Where are they coming from? They actually are linked to a supplier that's charging a lower cost for them. That's going to ship those directly to the buyer and you keep the profits. I linked this AI tool to the top of my description box down below and in the top comment for you guys, so you can click that link and AI will build an online store for you. You just enter in your name, an email, you just select what niche you want. You can choose fashion and apparel, pets, electronics, home and garden, sports and fitness, or I'm not sure, and it'll just give you a random one. Even if you don't see your niche here, just pick the one that you are most interested in doing. You're just gonna go step by step through this process of getting your store, and within minutes, you're gonna have your done for you online store ready to go. It is so crazy that an AI bot can create this for you so fast, because when I first started, I had to create all of this manually, so it literally makes it so easy for you to start. And remember, like I said, all these products are already added to your store that have a high chance of selling. And you'll already notice they already have winning products added here for you based on the current market trends, which is so crazy. And these are products that you are going to sell without holding any inventory yourself or having to deal with any shipping. They're all imported through a platform called AutoDS. And you can see right here in this step-by-step process, right here, you could sign up for AutoDS. So we can click here and complete the sign up process to keep these products in this store. And if you don't already know what AutoDS is ideal for not only finding the products to sell, but they also automate your store. So when you get a sale, it automatically sends that information to AutoDS, and AutoDS deals with the supplier to automatically get the supplier to ship that order to the buyer. You can explore their platform to find even more handpicked products, and you can see that they literally have fast shipping up to literally just 2 days, 2-day shipping. That's faster than Amazon. You can see all the data of the products that you're interested in selling to see how they're selling, and you can even use their ad spy, which allows you to actually see what's trending on all social media platforms and gives you inspiration for products that you can add to your store as well. And then you can actually get marketing ideas for your own products. They even have product customization, so you can grow a true brand with this. And I know someone that literally sold their e-commerce brand for millions of dollars, and this was the fulfillment type they were doing. So you could always grow this and exit it. So it's definitely a long-term investment for you and your life. And with this link that you sign up with AutoDS, you're gonna get 30 days completely free that you can use. And this is what's really gonna pull your store all together without you having to actually buy or hold the inventory yourself, which would be much more expensive than paying for the AutoDS subscription, which is around $30 a month. And you don't even have to come up with a marketing strategy yourself because I got you. I didn't get any sales my first month when I started my online store, but my second month in, because of one thing that I did, one skill that I learned, I literally made $20,000 that second month. So what I did was I created an entire free course for you guys on this topic, and I also included an entire section in that free course about marketing specifically, which is what's gonna get you the sales. A lot of people don't do that on YouTube because they don't actually have the experience that I have. So I got you guys, and I linked that free course again down in my description box below for you. Now let's go over side hustle number 3. You're already on YouTube, so you may as well be making money with it. There are faceless channels in almost every single niche that are making thousands of dollars with using YouTube, just by putting stock footage clips together with a voiceover behind them. These channels are growing from 0 followers. And some of these channels are making $500,000 per year. Like, look at this channel top 5. According to Social Blade, this channel is making thousands and more every single day just from the views on this channel. There are tons of other YouTube channels just like these, racking up so many millions of views with these basic videos. And if you didn't already know, a lot of these videos are actually made with AI too. The video ideas, the script, and even the videos on the screen a lot of times are completely generated with AI. But because they put their own human touch on it, we don't actually realize it. The AI is like a free coworker for you. And again, for this, I put the free course down in my description box below if you're interested in starting YouTube automation, which is our 3rd side hustle on this list. When I was working my 9-to-5 job and I was in school, I would say the number 1 skill that got me the furthest was actually content creation. And I started completely faceless. Like, back then I was not really showing my face because I would come home like exhausted from like work or school, and like I didn't want to just get dolled up and make videos. You know, I wasn't really wanting to show my face. So I would say like the number 1 skill that you guys should focus on learning is definitely content creation, like 100%, because that skill you can take over the next 10 plus years with you. No matter what you're doing online, the more knowledge that you have with understanding social media platforms and content creation, that you can literally, you know, you don't need to invest a bunch of money to actually like master it. You know, it's not like something like you go and start a business. It's a skill that you can learn to leverage whatever you choose to do online. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your number 1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and education just like this. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.